Road closed. Ooh, chilly out here. Well, good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday, I believe the 26th of November, 2 days before Thanksgiving. I wanted to get out while I could to do a little filming with my drone today, and I haven't been to this location in a while. I'm actually taking a new route. There's a road I'm obviously on right now and haven't gone down it before, but the map shows it goes down to a drainage, and then you go left, it takes you down to the main drainage and right at Tea Kettle Falls, which is my destination. And then I'm going to go out the creekway, up past Reynolds Falls right there, a little waterfall, and then work my way up the creek, and then up the old road that they have closed off over here. So I'm gonna make a loop. Map shows it to be 2-3 miles, something like that. It's about 11:30 now. I don't know how long it will take me. This road is pretty quick, so it should get me to the side drainage. But once I hit that side drainage, I have no idea how fast or slow that's going to be. So we'll see. I'm doing a little exploring, I guess. All right. Here we are, an intersection. I have no idea where that road, well, I mean, I know it connects with the main road, but I don't know where exactly in relation to my truck. So getting into some rock formations over there on the left, and it's kind of cool. Let's see what. Well, I hear wind. Don't hear any water. Not sure how much water there's going to be. I don't know if we've had enough in the last week or so. Some parts, like where we were on Sunday a couple of days ago, those parts got a lot of rain. Ooh, look at this. Looks like it's been kind of washed out right here. Yeah, I guess they did get a lot of rain, but none of it's hung around. All this clearly been washed out. But yeah, where we were Sunday had a lot of rain, a lot of water flowing. A little flowing, but just not enough to make for a pretty waterfall. But we'll see. Looking up the drainage here, and it's looking south. The water flows north here, but look at these really cool little bluff lines through here. Pretty neat. pretty neat. All right, I think we're getting close to the main creek. And I don't remember what this creek is called. Sure, it's got a name of some sort. Yeah, I'm starting to see a big hill right there. And yeah, there's the part I'm familiar with, right over there. Okay, what is the best way not to slip and fall? Everything is probably pretty slick, I would imagine. Across here, it's a pretty little drainage. I was right, it is further down, but not much further. I can see the light coming through, so I'm almost there. Very pretty. Oh, look at those roots. That's kind of cool. Just don't want to run into Mr. Snake. Oh, that was fun. Got me right in the nose. Doing a little creek crawling. Got my gaiters on, so I'm not really terribly worried about my feet getting wet. Plus, I brought a change of socks and shoes. So when I get back, if my feet are wet, I can just change out. And this is pretty. Just really pretty. Get down here. How steady are you, rock? You're steady. Go up and around, down and over. There we go. Easy peasy. Go around this tree. Boy, I don't want to go through all that. I'm just going to go this way. That's the thing about bushwhacking. You just kind of make your own path. Some ways are better than others, but usually you can figure it out. You may have to take a couple of tries at it. All right. Well, there is some water in the creek. Not a whole bunch. Go down here. Yeah, I'm not too far from the waterfall. Not too far at all. Okay, we are here. Oh, why do people do that? We don't need your bandana. If you keep going down that way, you'll run into the, what is it, War Eagle Creek, I think. I forget. All right, let's go check out the non-flowing waterfall. I thought I was going to need my gaiters. It wasn't the case. But hey, I might need it on the way back. All right, look at all this. Tea Kettle Falls with no water. Let's see. There's some logs in the spout, so to speak. Let's see what this looks like. Well, take my pack off. Okay. Okay. What else we got here? Yep. Put that right there. Seems like a good hold. All right. Made it to the top of Tea Kettle Falls. Come up that mess. All right. Yay. Wasn't too bad. I've been up here before. And look at this. There's a route here. Oh, wow. But there's some cool bluffs down there. Neat. Let's take a look at the falls. All right. Top of Tea Kettle Falls right there. That is so cool. How the water has just bored a hole right through there. Looking down. All right, let's get down from here. Okay, let's see. Let's put this stuff here and turn my body this way. Oh, shoot. Situate on that rock. Turn myself around. There we go. Okay, on into... Oh, shoot, my foot's stuck. Alright, into the hole here. Well, it's easier getting down than getting up. I'll say that much. Okay. Let's suit back up. Get on down. Okay, that was a nice little detour. Fun, fun, fun. Make our way back into the creek bed. And we will be good to go. Oh, go this way. Yeah, look at that paw print. Interesting. Don't know what to think. Probably a dog, but it's got some nails on that thing. So, any of you animal specialists care to weigh in the comments, feel free. I'm thinking just a dog, but looks like it was recent. I mean, there's not a whole lot of people coming down to this waterfall right now. And that looks like a fairly new print. So, don't know what to think. Certainly not a bear. I'm thinking a cat. Kind of look like a cat to me, but I am certainly no expert on the subject. But that's what it looked like. All right, here's another little bluff formation right here. I wonder if Reynolds Falls is over here. Oh, I see some reflections off the water. Oh yeah, there it is. Reynolds Falls. Right there. Go up here and say hello. Must be spring fed. Oh yeah. Cool, cool, cool. Has to be spring fed. There are some cool rock formations over there. Could go check those out. Let's go do that. All right, got out of the creek bed. Now I'm just walking along the edge. Nice little area here to walk through. Very doable. All right, I think we're almost back. No, we got a little ways to go. Thought we were almost back to the road, but I can still see the creek bed up there going on. So, in fact, we're going to come down off this hill, go across the creek. Okay, back in the creek it is. When I check the map, I know I am on game and fish land. All right, coming to the field. which is right next to the road. Oh, a lot of stickers in here. Ooh, not fun. Where's that sign? There it is. This area closed to vehicles. I'm not sure my camera picked that up. Right there. This area closed to vehicles. People used to come down here and park along near the edge of the road, but it got so crazy muddy and torn up that they stopped people from doing it.